How to add bios and interests on Skout. First, launch the Skout app on your phone. Tap your profile picture or avatar in the top corner. Tap Edit. Scroll down and you will see the About Me section. Tap on it. And here, write a short, friendly, and interesting description about yourself. After you finish writing, tap the check mark to update your bio. Keep it positive and authentic. Avoid phase like just here to chat. After adding your bio, you can update your interest by scrolling down. You will see interesting. For others, you can update their question. After adding your bio's interest, review your profile to make sure it's complete and appealing. Update them occasionally to keep your profile fresh and engaging. And a well-written bio and accurate interest make it more likely for others to start conversation with you. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.